Hey guys, so the Samsung Galaxy S21 series is nearly official. Samsung is betting big this time and they are taking some huge decisions along with it. So the S21 family is coming in this slim packaging with color coordinated S written on top. Samsung proudly mentioned they are giving a quick start guide, Type-C cable and ejector pin in the box. Of course, not to mention we have a phone too. So yeah, you got it right, Samsung is ditching the power brick from the box. So we know all the specifications of S21 series. The S21 and S21 Plus are nearly same phones with same design, same 1080p flat display. But if we ignore that downgrade display for a second, the S21 Plus specs all the quality flagship specifications. I still use Galaxy S20 Plus to shoot all my 4K videos. It still got the best display in any flagship phone. Only problem is Exynos 990 CPU, which now you can all forget because now we have the brand new Exynos 2100 in the S21 series. The Exynos 2100 uses high-performance Cortex-X1 core at max out 2.9 GHz, 3 A78 cores and 4 A55 cores. So similar configurations like Snapdragon 888 CPU. Samsung claims CPU is 30% faster than the Exynos 990 Silicon, and that's a huge claim. We saw the benchmarks also and they all look promising, but the main difference comes in Mali G78 GPU, which let's see how it performs. Yeah, you will see all these speed tests and comparisons right on my channel. And yeah, Exynos 2100 is based on 5nm process, so it's gonna save some battery. And not to mention the S21 series is coming with a huge battery, so I hope they can take care of heat management too. Now Samsung is mainly focusing on the S21 Ultra, like max out specifications, max out storage and RAM. It also got SD card expansion, which Samsung is skipping in the S21 and S21 Plus. We have the highest end 108 megapixel primary shooter with 2 telephoto lenses for an amazing zoom, some supporting sensors and a super wide angle lens, so a neat combination I would say. Icing on the cake, there's 1440p 120Hz curved display, a 5000 mAh huge battery which supports 45 watts max out fast charging and whatnot. So if you are getting the S21 series, the S21 Ultra is one with max out specifications. Yeah, it does not look as good as S21 or S21 Plus in terms of design, but it do comes with some max out specifications and exciting colors. We also have some pre-order goodies like smart tag and new Galaxy Buds. So it's your choice, you spend more and get more features. The S21 Plus is like a downgrade in terms of display, but other than display, the Exynos 2100 and the camera all are amazing for sure. You can get it without any hesitation. It won't support the S Pen, which is exclusive to the S21 Ultra again, so yeah, it's your choice in the end. Yeah, we surely have tons of options now like Xiaomi Mi 11, iPhone 12, and OnePlus is also launching the OnePlus 9 Pro really soon. So it's your choice in the end. Of course, I'm getting my S21 Ultra soon, so all the comparisons are on its way. Thanks so much for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.